One-digit multiplication quiz for kids. What is 2 times 3? The correct answer is B, 6. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. What is 4 times 2? The correct answer is C, 8. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. What is 5 times 3? The correct answer is A, 15. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. What is 7 times 2? The correct answer is B, 14. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. What is 9 times 3? The correct answer is C, 27. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. What is 3 times 3? The correct answer is D, 9. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. What is 6 times 2? The correct answer is C, 12. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. What is 8 times 3? The correct answer is A, 24. 8 times 3 is equal to 24. What is 4 times 4? The correct answer is C, 16. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. What is 7 times 3? The correct answer is B, 21. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. What is 9 times 2? The correct answer is C, 18. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. What is 5 times 5? The correct answer is B, 25. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. What is 6 times 6? The correct answer is D, 36. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. What is 8 times 5? The correct answer is C, 40. 8 times 5 is equal to 40. What is 9 times 9? The correct answer is B, 81. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. Awesome! You have completed all 15 multiplication questions. How many did you get right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this quiz with your friends.